All right, so today I have this Deko tool box right here that I'm going to be unboxing and showing you what's all inside. Right here is Deko, designed for extraordinary kindness only. Don't know what that means. I know what kindness means, but I don't know what their exact phrase means. But I'm gonna open it up and see what we have going on inside. So it comes in this nice carrying box and wrap plastic around here. So this is a tool set that I needed. So I'm just going to open it up, but first show you the briefcase that it comes in and things that comes inside. So right here it shows all of the things that are inside, the different tools, ratchet tools, screwdrivers, pliers, different sizes. I'm going to open this up. I'll let you see what's inside. So here it is, coming out. Look at that, a lot going on in this package right here, in this box. Show you a little bit more inside. So look in here, you see all of that. You have wrenches right here, different sizes of wrench, 13 millimeter, 14, 13, 12, 10, and 8 millimeter wrenches. You have a lot of things. You have a ratchet wrench in there. You have a leveler. You have clamps. You have screws. You have anchors. You also have more clamps. And you have these screwdrivers. You have a bunch of screwdrivers going in. You have the small ones right up here. You have large ones. And I believe that's a ratchet screwdriver. There's a lot of ratchetness going on inside of this toolbox. I'm going to show you a little bit. I'm going to pull them all out. You also have a, what is that? That is a measuring tape there. But then on this side, the near side, you also have some things going on. You have bits for the screwdriver. You also have a hammer. You have a monkey wrench or adjustable wrench. You have more pliers. Bits for the screwdriver, bits for the wrenches. A couple of the pieces came out of place. I'm going to simply put them back in place right here. Everything has a place and everything is almost in its place. So you go ahead and figure that out later. There's also a saw in here. There is a saw. There is, what else is it they have in there? They have all these bits for the wrenches right here. You have insulating tape, Deko insulating tape. Another wrench. You have right here, hex wrench right here. You have hex wrenches for using unscrewing hex screws. You also have an X-Acto knife, exactly on the right side. The pliers, just the pliers. Wire cutters, which can come into handy. So there's a lot of things going on inside of this tool box or tool kit from Deko. A lot of things that can be useful, a lot of tools that you can actually use. Come in handy, very compact with inside of this toolbox that you can go on. I'm just going to take some of the tools out and show you what they're all about. So let me get in closer so we can examine the full amount of what's going on in here. All right, so you have all of these tools in here. Let's see, so you have, check this out. You have these bits that go on in here. Now, a couple of things came out of place while in delivery. And I'm going to try to put these back into place to where they go to keep it organized. So, have all the wrenches in here. So, like, I'm going to pull these things out and show you them up close. So, one thing that haven't noticed too much in toolbox is that this one actually comes with a saw. All right, that can be very helpful for sawing. small projects right here. So here's the saw, and you can tighten it up right here. You know, put a new one in right here. It's a loosening mechanism for when this saw gets dull, you can actually put a new blade in. I'm going to snap that back into place. Well, I found a little issue. So like when you put the saw in, make sure you put the saw in first. And then these bits right here for the screwdriver, put them in second perhaps. All right, so you have that. And here are the hex wrenches. They come in a nice organizer where you can slide the hex wrench back into its appropriate compartment when done. A larger hex wrench, and they get smaller. And then here are some smaller hex wrenches, and it closes back in right here to keep it nice and organized. And when you're done, you put it back into place. Here is a bit for the screwdrivers. Let me go ahead and show you how this goes. I'm gonna get back there, and you can see that this is a screwdriver where you can actually put the bits in. This is a ratchet screwdriver. I just slide this in here, and I'm able to use this right here. And when I want to adjust the direction of the ratchetness, I just simply pull it down, goes the other way, and then the middle, I believe, they don't have a the neutral, or put in the middle, it locks it up, goes one way, down the other way. And I'll just go ahead and take this out right here. I can go ahead and place this down. This also could go inside of the wrench. Go ahead and see this right here. So this unscrews. Let's see if this, no, that doesn't do anything. So I'm screwed back into place. And then here, actually use this. Doesn't work right here. This is for the wrench. I'll show you that in a momentarily. So if I want to use these bits right here, these are longer bits for the screwdriver. Just simply put it in, and I can use that. There are flatheads, different sizes of the flatheads in here that I use. And then there are Phillips as well. Go ahead, and then there's Star also for perhaps dishwashers. If you have a dishwasher, you're probably familiar with the Star shaped bits. So these are the long bits that you can use, but there's also a bunch of smaller ones. There's smaller ones back here, Star right here, smaller bits. These are more practical for more uses. The long ones are for those situations that require long bits to be used. So you have that, and then you also have the classic hammer. Nice grip on it, rubber handle right there for hammering things. You also have an adjustable wrench. You just simply adjust it by turning it that way, and it gets wider, and going inwards to get smaller. You have that. I'll put these aside because there's something I did not show you inside of this kit that I wasn't aware of. These skinny pliers right here. It also has a wire cutter at the end. Let's go ahead and pull this out. Here is extra blades for the saw. Here is extra blades for the X-Acto knife. There are some, what do you call these? Zip ties in here. So there's some extra parts that come in here. So this toolbox is quite handy. So here is the blades, replacement blades for when your X-Acto knife becomes dull. Before I keep on going forward, let me go ahead and put some of these things back into place so I can stay organized as I go with this back into place. And then right here is the X-Acto knife. Look at that. That's the X-Acto knife right here. Nice grip on that. And then, where did this come from? This is a piece. This is for the wrench. This is a larger size. I'm not sure where this came down from. But we'll find a place for it because everything has a place and everything will be in its place. I'm not sure where that part went, but I'll put this back in. Here are the wire cutters. Let's flip it around so we can see the other things. So I'm gonna bring it on to this direction right here. You have a leveler right here. Good for leveling things, making sure that you're balanced. Might want to put that on your head sometimes to make sure that you're leveled off. And the ratchet wrench can adjust the direction by simply going left or right with this. Ooh. And here is a part right here. Oh, there's where I think it goes. So this right here, put that in place. So take this off and put that into place. And you can go ahead, after you do that, put bits into place like that. So the ratchet is going to come in handy. Here's one size right here. Bit. And then when I'm done with this, take that off, just simply press the button and then place that back there. Now you have the ratchet, but you also have your standard wrenches right here. It's a Deko 15 millimeter wrench that you can have right here. 15, 14, 13, 12, 10, and 8. You also have the Deko tape measure. And then you have your screwdrivers. I'm going to go ahead and spin this around so you can see some of the screwdrivers. This is a Phillips screwdriver. Go ahead and put this ratchet back in place. This is a flathead. And this is a Phillips. This is smaller, skinny screwdrivers that go into the kit. Be useful for small projects. The anchors is what I'm surprised about in this right here, that they have the anchors and screws for some small projects. They said, you know what? Why don't we just throw this in the mix? And they threw it in the mix, and very helpful in that. And put this back into place. And what I was not expecting is some clamps, okay? So they have clamps here, two different sizes, or actually only one size. Now, They gave a lot inside of this package, and these are not metal clamps, they're plastic clamps, but they're sturdy and they should do some work on certain projects. So I'm not really knocking them because there's so much going on inside of this kit right here that if they threw in some plastic clamps, I'm not going to cry about it, okay? So they have these right here. Put these back in place. And voila. So that is the Deko kit. A lot going in here. Give you another look at this Deko toolbox kit. All right, you can use this. Comes in handy, very compact. So you can carry it around to places or put it into places such as your car or closet, and not take up a lot of space, but still have all the tools that you could possibly need for most projects. I hope this review has been helpful with showing you the Deko toolbox kit right here. Thanks a lot for watching.